Hi guys, welcome to my channel. My husband asked me to make pinakbet. Since he loves curry, I decided to add coconut curry to it. To be honest, I did not expect it to be this good. Before we start, be sure all your veggies are washed. First, let's cut all the vegetables to a similar size. Not only does it look nice, but they also will cook more evenly. To lessen the bitterness of bitter gourd, soak cut slices in water with 1 teaspoon salt for 30 minutes before cooking. Now let's start cooking. Let's heat oil in a saucepan. Saute onion, garlic, and ginger together. Continue to cook until the onions are translucent. Let's add the shrimps and then saute for 2 minutes. Remove the shrimp, set aside to add back in later. Now let's add the squash and sweet potato. Continue to saute for 2 minutes. Let's pour the coconut milk into the cooking pot. Let boil. Cover the pot and then simmer for 3 to 5 minutes. Now let's add the rest of our vegetables, the snake beans, eggplant, okra, and bitter gourd. Stir and cook for another 5 minutes. Let's add the tomatoes. I did not saute my tomatoes at first because I don't want them to be mushy. Now let's add in the shrimp paste. We call it Bagoong alamang, and then the curry powder and stir. Let's now add the shrimp back in and then add ground black pepper. You can add additional salt for your taste. Let's cook for a couple more minutes. And here are curried pinakbet with shrimps. Let's transfer to a serving bowl and serve. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed watching this video and loving the recipe, please be sure to subscribe and share it with your friends. This is a great help. And please hit the like with notification bell so you don't miss a single video. Thank you guys. God bless.